P.2. Welcome to your today's class with your teacher, Teacher Val. Today you will have a lesson 35. I hope you're ready to continue. Okay? Very good. So let's start. P.2. Before starting our lesson, I want you to check the homework. So please prepare your workbook, a pencil and an eraser. So if you make mistake, you can correct yourself. So let's open page 23, section 3. Let's have a look at the pictures and write the missing letters. If we have a look at the picture number 1, we can see a jam. So the missing letter is J, jam. Let's check our second picture. What is this? It's a bird. Bird. So the missing letter was letter B. Okay. Let's continue with the picture number 3. What is this? It's a kite. Kite. So the beginning letter for this word is letter K. Check, please. Okay, let's continue. And this is a fig. Picture number 4, this is a fig. It's a fruit. So the missing letter is letter F. Okay, picture number 5. What is this? It's a lion. Lion. The beginning letter is letter L. So you had to write letter L. Picture number 6. What is this? It's an ink. Ink. Letter I is the beginning letter. And you have to write it just right there. Okay. Picture number 7. What is this? P.2. It's an apple. Check, please, your answer. It's an apple, and you had to write letter A. And our last picture, picture number 8. What is this? Who is sleeping during the lesson? This is a cat. So the beginning letter and the missing letter is letter C. Please check your answers, P.2. I hope you have no mistakes. If you have a mistake, use your eraser and correct yourself. Thank you so much for your homework. And now we can continue our lesson. P.2. Today we're going to have a big review lesson. So we will look through the 3 units. Unit number 1, 2, and 3. And we will review our lessons. So, today we're going to review the conversation. Let's have a look. This is Kim. I want you to remember Kim. And this is Ron. So, Kim and Ron is going to have a conversation. Let's read the sentences together and then repeat. Hello, what's your name? My name's Kim. My name's Ron. How old are you? I am 10. So, Ron and Kim had a conversation. If you want to ask somebody's name, you have to say, what's your name? Then you will answer, my name is. And then if you want to ask about the age, you should say, how old are you? And then answer, I am 10, for example. Okay, very good. Continue. So let's have a look. This is Ben. And this is Gwen. So they're going to have a conversation. Let's read together and repeat. Ben, what's this? It's a game. Okay, fantastic, P2, good job. So, if you want to ask about something, you can say, what's this? And we use this when the object is very close to you. Okay, very good. Okay, let's have a look. This is Phineas. Do you remember him? Okay, and this is verb. And one more person. This is Miss Candice. So let's have a look at their conversation. Read and repeat. This is Miss Candice. This is Phineas. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Very good, P2. So if you want to introduce your friends, you should say, this is Miss Val, for example. And then you can answer, nice to meet you. And nice to meet you too. You may answer. Very good. So we looked through 3 conversations, and now it's your activity time, P2. So we will practice our conversations again, and we will do some activity. I want you to look at the picture. So we have John and Jenny. And John asks Jenny, hello, what's your name? Then Jenny should answer something. I want you to look at these sentences and choose the correct answer for Jenny. Let's read these sentences. The first one, my name's Jenny. The second, I am 9. And the third, this is John. So let's think, P2. Which answer will be the correct? Hello, what's your name? My name's Jenny. Very good. So that's the correct answer. My name's Jenny. Let's continue. Now John asks Jenny, how old are you? And we have to choose the correct answer for Jenny. My name's Jenny. I am 9. Or this is John. Okay, try to guess, P2. I am 9. Very good. That's the correct answer. If you want to say about age, you will ask, how old are you? And then you will answer, I'm 9. For example, as Jenny says. Okay, P2, now I can read the whole conversation of John and Jenny. So let's read together. Hello, what's your name? My name's Jenny. How old are you? I'm 9. Very good. Okay, let's have a look at these pictures. We have Emma, Mark, and Sarah. So Emma says, this is Mark. Peep, Sarah. So we have to choose the missing words. Meet you, I am, or this is. How do you think, P2, which answer we should choose? This is. Yes, that's right. We should choose this is because we introduce somebody. So this is Mark and this is Sarah. Very good. Okay, so now Mark wants to say something and we don't know what he is saying. So let's try to guess. He said, peep, you. And then Sarah said, nice to meet you too. Let's have a look at the sentences and try to choose the correct sentence. Nice to meet. This is my names. So, P2, how do you think? Which sentence will be correct? Nice to meet. Yes, so Mark says, nice to meet you. And Sarah answered, nice to meet you too. Because they are very polite. Very good. Now we can read the whole conversation. This is Mark. This is Sarah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. So we read the whole conversation between Emma, Mark, and Sarah. Okay, now I want you to prepare your class book, a pencil, and an eraser. And open page 26, section 2. I will explain you how to do this task. You can see a box with the words. And you need to look at the conversations. So, you have to choose the word, only one word, in the box and to fill in the gap. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. Let's have a look at the sentence number 1. So we have, this is Miss White. And then we have to choose the beginning for the next sentence. Peep is Kate. So P2, let's read our words in the box and let's think together. Which word do you want to choose to fill in the gap? So we have this, meet, nice, too. Let's read again. This is Miss White. Peep is Kate. So let's choose this. Very good. Yes, we have to choose this because we want to introduce somebody. This is Miss White. This is Kate. Okay, let's read sentence number 2. Nice to peep you. So we have meet, nice, too. Let's choose one word for this sentence. How do you think? P2, can you help me? Which word do you want to fill in the gap? Meet. Yes, that's correct. Nice to meet you. So you are very polite. That's why you say nice to meet you. Okay. And let's read sentence number 3. Peep, to meet you. Peep. We have 2 words left, nice and too. So, which word should be the beginning in this sentence? Nice. Yes, nice to meet you too. Okay, that's correct. Fantastic, P2. So now we can read the whole conversation because we filled all the gaps. So this is Miss White. This is Kate. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Very good. Thank you for your great job. Okay, you finished this exercise. P2, continue our lesson. We will do one more exercise. I want you to open page 28, section 2 of your class book. So let's have a look at the task. We are going to match the questions and the answers and to write the letters in the box and then draw a line. So we have questions. Let's read it together. Number 1, what's this? Number 2, what's your name? Number 3, how old are you? Number 4, nice to meet you. And number 5, how are you? Okay, these are questions and we have answers. Let's read. A, I'm 10. B, nice to meet you too. C, it's a teddy. D, I'm fine, thank you. E, my name's Alex. Okay, so let's have a look at the sentence number 2. What's your name? You have to choose the letter. You should choose the answer for this question. How do you think? P2, what will be the answer for this question? What's your name? My name's Alex. Very good. That's correct. So we have to write letter E in the box. Okay, continue. Sentence number 3. How old are you? So the question about the age. Which answer do you want to choose? P2, can you help me? Yes, I am 10. Very good. So answer A. We have to write in the box and draw a line, please. Let's read sentence number 4. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. So the answer will be nice to meet you too. Okay, if you want to be polite, you have to say nice to meet you too. So write letter B in the box. And our last question, how are you? We have to answer, I am fine, thank you. Okay, draw a line between number 5 and letter D and write letter D in the box. Okay, thank you so much, P2. We finished this task. Check your answers. And now it's time for your homework. I want you to prepare your workbook and open page 26, section 1 and 2. I will explain you how to do your homework. You can see the sentences, but you should order the words. For example, number 1, you have Miss White is this. Think, P2, how to make the whole sentence in the correct order. This is Mrs. White. Very good. So continue your homework. And what about exercise number 2? Have a look at the picture. You have a conversation again. So you have sentence number 1. This is Emily. And then you have to continue the conversation. Okay? Very good. Let's check your homework next time. But for today, our lesson is over, P2. Thank you so much for the lesson. See you next time. Bye-bye.